watch the car to your left.
How much footage are you getting?
I don't know, how much do you want?
Not much. Yes, in it, so. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. If you've watched us before, you will have seen probably one or both of us out and about in my fully functional, fit for purpose Volkswagen California. It's been ideal. I work away from home sometimes. It's great to stay over in. It's great as a mobile office. So that does beg the question, what have I done? I'll show you. So yes, fully functional campervan to, voila, a fully not functional campervan. It is nicely plied out. But as you can see, this is just a panel van. Got a bulkhead still in, although that might disappear this weekend. No windows, nothing like that, as you can see. So yes, this is the new project. So it's a 2022 Sportline T32 Transporter, long wheelbase, so we've got a little bit extra to play with, another 40 centimetres. And it will be an interesting opportunity to see if I'm actually capable, or we are actually capable, of turning this into something that makes a reasonable day and overnight van. Have to say, I am reasonably lazy and I'm not at all practically minded, so this will be quite the test. Anyhow, as I say, we might take the bulkhead out later. We're going to weigh it before we do anything so we know what our starting point is. But first things first, we're going to tuck into these. First meal in the new van.
.463.
Yep.
744.
Yep.
381.
Yep.
631.
Yep.
463.
Yep.
The total
2,219 kilos.
Okay, and you've got a T32 van, which is 3.2 tonnes.
So we've got just shy of a tonne payload.
981 kilograms.
So this unit that we're using, Campervan weight control?
Yeah.
Where did that come from?
Came from Campervan weight control.
Did it?
I don't know. I got it from like a caravan shop years ago.
Okay, cool.
It's quite a rare beast. I don't know if you can get them anymore.
Okay.
And I think it's like, obviously I don't know how accurate it is, but it claims to be within like a margin error of about 10%. 2191. 2191. So last time it was 2219. This one it's 2291. So you've got a,
Okay.
what's that? 28 kilo difference.
But we've got a rough idea.
So
we're not going to put a tonne in there, are we?
Roughly
So
2.2 tonnes.
cool. And we've filled it up. We've absolutely brimmed it up with fuel before doing this. So
Yeah. No,
and we got obviously a driver, not a passenger.
75 kilos worth of driver. I think.
Yeah, I'm not going to tell you how much passenger will be added
not
into
in
that. I'm not in it, but when we calculate it,
Not a
ton, definitely not a ton. So I haven't owned this van for 6 hours yet, but we are about to take this out, or at least try to. So I have been tooled up. I am a bit clueless, but 10mm
Socket.
10mm socket on this, and then I've got something even more meaty down there. But let's try the basic stuff first before we get ahead of ourselves, shall we? I know I've still got to do the one at the end, but oh, can't get round that one very easily.
Oh, we might open the door when you get to that side.
No, that's loose. It's loose enough, I think.
Like whether you actually need to feel that tight.
They don't actually
You might
feel
be able to
tight
lock
at all.
just off the ratchet.
Oops. Yeah, they're not actually.
So you could try this. Put it on.
Oh my god. It's on.
Pull trigger.
That trigger.
Yep.
And like, just hold it.
Yep.
Fuck.
All the way.
Oops.
I got it. Get a little pot.
Yeah. Should maybe have changed my trousers. Not because not because I've had an accident. Not because I need to.
Dropped one over there.
Because I'm just like walking around on my knees in the van in my jeans. So it's just these things that we're taking off. I don't know if you can see that, these nuts.
Because I think the bolts are...
They were quite easy to get off so far, which makes me worried. Right, where are we going now? So the bottom of the top ones, or just all of them?
All of them. I'll put one on loose. For reason.
The reason Kerry's doing the one on the other side is because we're pretty tired, and with that door open we don't really want to get caught by a neighbour, because we just want to get this job done and then settle down for the evening. Don't laugh. I don't.
A sort of monkey who's never seen a spanner before.
Do you know why? Because it is a monkey that's never seen a spanner before. Oh yeah, it's moving. Yep. Yeah, it's loose at the bottom. Am I on it?
Yep. Okay.
In which case I probably can. Oh. Okay.
Don't really know what happens next.
So it looks like we've got a bolt on the other side up through the trim, which is hampering progress.
I think this thing here needs to come down.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't want to force it. Okay.
Okay.
There we are. Yeah.
Aha, there's some bolts. 4 bolts across there?
4 bolts. There you go. Because if you're not square, you could round it.
Yeah. Got yeah. How loose do we need them? Are we going in with something else, or is this?
We're going to go in with the other end of that.
Kind of hard to see.
Okay, so on the middle, access, turn the wheel away, use the long.
Oh, that way.
Yeah,
Oh, that way.
spins around. Yeah.
We might need to speak as well.
Would you want me to record it?
No, we don't need. So presumably take it out, but keep holding it.
It
Could go at any moment. I should put my gloves back on. I don't think so. Oh, is there? Is it? Yeah, it feels like there's something like in there.
This end,
Yep.
which is loose. And then what's going on?
Okay. Is it just a bit tight together? There we are, half a bulkhead. I don't know if we are going to lose all of this bulkhead or not. Keep part of it. We definitely want a way through from the cab. But until we've worked out the layout, we don't really know whether it'll be all of it. Oh, look!
What's that? Oh,
Got a little man. Hiya.
the man. So there's a bit of metal sticks up.
Right, so we'll have to be careful with that with the dogs.
There's some metal to stick out.
A few sweet wrappers, obvs.
What's that?
Looks a bit dodgy.
Codeine.
Codeine. Someone's had a good time in this van. Right, mate, I don't know if there's anywhere that you can like, you know, like just ride in there for now. A bit here.
Yeah,
Is it
it's
maybe
just,
just the light that's hitting it?
I just think that's just not fully
Sprayed.
sprayed.
So is that like the original
Probably primer.
colour? Primer,
Yeah,
and then
primer.
that's the, okay.
I think so.
So we've got that we're going to have to work out how to
Not
how
really,
to
'cause we've got this,
marry the. Oh yeah, we've got a
this
bit of
strip
trim.
here.
Where does the trim live?
that would pop in to those holes.
Are you
Or
going
is it
for the
that?
right holes?
I'm always like
I knew you were going to go there. So is it that way?
well, you say that, but then that one
That one
doesn't
doesn't line up.
Hang on. They slide around. They slide
Oh
around.
dear.
But we do need to decouple that one because that's taking a little
Oh yeah.
thingy out.
Okay. And then just bang it up.
Alright,
Okay.
That's
So there's
quite neat.
not much of a gap then, is
No,
there?
but
Okay.
just needs to be a bit
Just
longer.
need to like sort out that bit there.
Yeah.
Need to work out what we're going to do down here with this. It sits up, and if it's possible to get that out, because I can see us treading on that, tripping over it, dog standing on it, or whatever.
But the good news is that finishes quite nicely.
Yeah. Okay. Food for thought.
Yeah.
And we've got a little van man up there.
He's a Mr. Man, isn't
He's a Mr. Man, yeah.
he? Mr. Van Man.
You've got one like that. Yeah.
So what's, do you think he's had seat covers on it? I think that's why.
Oh,
these are-
maybe.
'cause I think they go. I think that
They
would
just
go
tuck on there, don't they?
So do you think he's had seat covers on to protect the seats?
Yeah, probably. Okay.
Dry red ones, probably.
I'm not going to make a comment about that. Suffice to say, we won't be having dry robe seat covers unless this van brings about a whole change in personality and interests. Which you never know, might do. If I hadn't had the last van, I'd have never thought about doing this. So, never say never. I'm knackered. That is my stamina for the day. So, good job.
Get cleared up.
Yep. Good work.